Today we're going to be drawing a cute ice cream cone. I'm using an iPad Pro with the app called Procreate and an Apple Pencil. Now you don't need these to follow along. You can use a white sheet of paper, a black marker for outlines, and some markers and crayons for coloring in. So the first thing we're going to do is create 2 layers. The top layer we're going to rename to outline, and the bottom layer we're going to rename to color. So let's start off by doing a V shape for the cone. And if you hold your pencil, the line will turn really straight. And we're going to do a slight curve and finish off that V. Then we're gonna do the bottom scoop. And we're gonna have like a really runny ice cream. And next we're gonna do the first scoop layer. And we're only gonna do it halfway and finish on the other side. And then we're gonna do the second layer. Again, a really droopy layer. And then over here, we're gonna have a cherry on the top right. So we're only gonna do it up to here like that. And then leave a little space for the cherry and then finish that curve. Then we can draw a circle here for the cherry. And then over here we can have a chocolate stick. So a straight line like that. A small curve and finish that off. So let's go back to the cone and we're gonna do some cross hatches. And on the other side as well. And then we can draw some eyes. So let's do 2 circles over here. And then a mouth. Let's color those in. And then we want to grab a white to do the pupils in the eyes. So small circle like that and a little dot right beside it. Okay, let's go back to the black, and we can also draw some lines here on the chocolate stick. So let's go into the color layer and then we can start coloring in. So let's select a brown for the cone. I'm going to alternate some brown. So I'm going to go between a light brown and a darker brown. And while we have the brown, let's also color this chocolate stick in. And then now let's go and color that cherry. Let's pick a red. Okay, so we're ready to do the first scoop. What color should we do? Let's do a pink. Pink is my favorite color. Increase my brush size just so that I can color this faster. So what should we color the top? Let's select a blue. And there you go. There is your cute ice cream cone.